So hi everyone, today is Monday and I decided to have my nail done today, and it's so nice because it's dry up here. Look at that. Yes, because it's been sunny for 2 days today, but it did rain, but just a little anyway. So pumunta tayo sa Salon de Wens para sa ating pumper day, kasi parang masakit na yung ingrown ko. Sumasakit na yung ingrown ko anyway. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, so I plan to put yellow on my nails, so that's my outfit. So ayan si ate yung naglinis, actually dalawa sila, hindi ko na na-videoan. So ito yung salon guys, ang ganda diba? Salon de Wens. Yan yung may-ari, yung naka-green. Ang ganda. Hindi maraming customer kasi nga Monday. Kaya pag pupunta kayo dyan, wag sa weekend kasi for sure marami silang customer. Ito ay Monday, so walang masyadong customer. May dumating pero konti lang. So ayan, video lang si ate, charis. Habang nililinisan, charot. So self-love tayo today. So ayan, that's what I choose color since wala silang puti. I actually plan to have white but wala sila. Since it's my favorite, yun na lang ang napili ko. At ayan na nga, umuwi na tayo. Look at the chart, it's so pretty. The weather is so pretty today also. So now we're going home and this is our way to go to the house, so yeah, it's not muddy at all. And you know what, I really love sunny day kasi look at that, ang ganda ng daanan, ang ganda ng paligid, pretty green. So ito yung aming lugar kung saan kami currently living right now. Oh my god, that rooster. So look at that. As you can see, it's dry up, it's dry up here, and yeah, it's a nice color when it's sunny. And that's my feet, it's hurt. That's my nephew, because I told them to pick me up because I have my laundry, So anyway, thank you for watching.